So I've been tuning the hot end on this Goliath, and it's taken me some time, a little bit, to kind of get used to it. I'm not finding that the temperature has really changed from my other setup, which was the high flow mosquito with the nitram copper volcano block. It seems to be pretty much the same temperatures, the same pressure advance. I have increased the pressure advance actually a little bit. This here is a Ghost, and it was printed at 0.025 pressure advance. This is 400 millimeters a second at 20,000 acceleration for all the features, a 0.1 layer height. I'll try to show, I guess, in the worst light I can. The seam quality is just pretty decent. I mean, that is just a nice, you can hardly even see it. I mean, you can see it, but it's you can feel it a little bit. I could have turned in a little bit more on it. This, I think, is 20% in, maybe 17%, 17 to 20, something like that. The layer stacking is very good. I mean, you can't even see it. Of course, it's 0.1 layer height. Even the inside is just super clean. I wanted to change my Z system to something else, but after doing some of these prints, I don't know, it seems pretty decent to me. This is a 60% Ghost, I think it was. I didn't want to print the whole Ghost, but some of my initial prints were pretty bad because the filament was, the relative humidity was showing 35%, and it was not printing good. And I thought it was a machine, and it turned out to be the filament. So I don't know. I really like the Goliath. I think it's a pretty decent hot end. The extruder too seems to be working pretty well. Anyway, so this is 270 degrees ABS. That's about normally what I printed at that speed. I used about 60% fan with it. It doesn't crack. It's holding together very well. It could be a little more shiny, so maybe the fan is just a little bit too high, but you see the whole model has the same consistency of color. It has a little shine to it. It's not matte. It's pretty close to how I want it, but I think it could use a little less fan. So yeah, it seems to be working pretty decent. Dry your filament. That screwed me over so many times, I think I ought to learn from it. Anyway, happy printing.